Remove the screws of the B shell and the D shell, and the B shell rubber pad needs to be removed. Remove the shell, remove the screen from the bearing connection, remove the screen. Remove the D case and remove the battery and joystick. Remove the keys and motherboard screws. Remove the motherboard from the bearing connection. Remove the button and the speaker. Take out the new bearing and install the screen. Cover the shell. Reinstall the accessories. After reconnecting the motherboard, screw back the screw. Reconnect the joystick to the motherboard and plug in the battery. Install the D shell, B shell screws and rubber pads in turn.